Welcome back to Trend Cars, the place where we explore the future of automobiles, concepts, and luxury vehicles that are redefining the way we travel. If you're passionate about innovation, design, and the thrill of discovering cars that feel like they've come straight out of tomorrow, then you're in the right spot. Make sure to stay tuned until the end because today we are diving into one of the most luxurious, adventurous, and game-changing creations ever imagined, the 2026 Range Rover Motorhome. Range Rover has always stood for prestige, elegance, and capability. For decades, the name itself has been associated with both rugged off-road performance and refined comfort that rivals luxury sedans. But 2026 marks a completely new chapter. Range Rover has stepped into the world of motorhomes, and not just any motorhome, but one that is designed to be the ultimate combination of a 5-star hotel and an all-terrain explorer. This is a machine that takes the DNA of Range Rover and expands it into an entirely new category, bringing adventure seekers and luxury lovers together under one roof on wheels. Imagine a motorhome that not only looks stunning but also carries the confidence and presence that Range Rover is famous for. From the first glance, the 2026 Range Rover Motorhome is unmistakable. The front grille carries the iconic Range Rover identity, bold yet elegant, with slim matrix LED headlights that stretch across the width, giving it a futuristic yet commanding appearance. The body design is sculpted and aerodynamic for efficiency, but it doesn't lose that muscular stance. It is larger than any Range Rover you've seen, stretching out like a luxurious yacht on wheels, yet still maintaining a sense of proportion and balance that makes it elegant rather than excessive. This motorhome is built on a newly engineered modular platform that supports hybrid and full electric drivetrains. Range Rover offers two versions, a powerful plug-in hybrid with a twin-turbo V8 paired with electric motors, delivering over 800 horsepower combined, and a fully electric version with a massive 200 kWh battery pack offering up to 600 miles of range. For a vehicle of this size, those numbers are groundbreaking. And with Range Rover's advanced all-wheel drive system, terrain response modes, and adaptive air suspension, the 2026 motorhome isn't limited to highways. It's built to take you from city boulevards to mountain trails, beaches, and deserts without hesitation. Step inside, and you instantly realize why this vehicle is a motorhome and not just an oversized SUV. The interior is nothing short of breathtaking. Range Rover has taken its expertise in craftsmanship and luxury materials and scaled it up to create a rolling sanctuary. Imagine walking into a lounge with natural wood veneers, soft touch leather, sustainable fabrics, and ambient lighting that shifts with your mood. The living area is designed like a penthouse suite, with a spacious sofa that converts into a dining space, panoramic windows that bring in the outside world, and a retractable 70-inch OLED display for entertainment. The kitchen is something you'd expect in a high-end apartment. Full-sized induction cooktops, a smart refrigerator, a convection oven, and even an integrated espresso machine for coffee lovers. Range Rover has partnered with luxury appliance makers to ensure that every detail feels premium. But here's the real innovation: the kitchen is modular. At the touch of a button, the counters can slide and expand, creating more space when parked while tucking away neatly when driving. Of course, a motorhome isn't complete without a bedroom, and the 2026 Range Rover Motorhome delivers one that feels like it belongs in a 5-star hotel. A king-size bed with memory foam mattress, adaptive climate control for personalized comfort, and smart windows that can turn opaque at night with electrochromic technology. There's even a skylight above the bed for stargazing when you're parked in the wilderness. And yes, there's a bathroom too, but not the kind you might expect from traditional RVs. This one has a rainfall shower with recycled water purification technology, a ceramic sink, heated floors, and a smart toilet system that ensures both comfort and sustainability. Range Rover has thought of every detail to make long journeys not just possible but pleasurable. Tech is another area where the 2026 Range Rover Motorhome sets a new standard. The cockpit is designed with next-generation digital interfaces, including a fully augmented reality windshield that overlays navigation, terrain data, and even safety alerts directly into your line of sight. The steering system can be fully manual for those who love to drive or switch to advanced autonomous mode for long highway stretches. Voice commands, gesture control, and AI-powered personalization mean the vehicle adapts to your preferences, whether it's adjusting the lighting, temperature, or even suggesting routes and destinations based on your travel history. Connectivity is also a major highlight. The vehicle comes with built-in satellite internet, ensuring high-speed connections even in remote areas. This makes the motorhome perfect for digital nomads, business travelers, or anyone who wants to stay connected while exploring the farthest corners of the world. Solar panels integrated into the roof provide supplementary power, while the onboard energy management system ensures efficient use of resources. On the outside, the 2026 Range Rover Motorhome offers features that elevate outdoor living. Extendable awnings create shaded patios, while built-in outdoor kitchens and storage compartments make camping effortless. There's even an optional rooftop terrace accessible by a hydraulic ladder system, allowing you to enjoy sunsets, yoga, or just the view from a higher vantage point. For adventurers, there's dedicated space for bikes, kayaks, or even drones, making it the ultimate base camp for outdoor exploration. Safety has not been overlooked either. With litter-based collision avoidance, 360-degree camera systems, and smart sensors that monitor everything from tire pressure to weather conditions, the Range Rover Motorhome ensures peace of mind. Emergency systems can even call for help and guide rescuers to your exact GPS location if needed. But what truly makes the 2026 Range Rover Motorhome revolutionary is its philosophy. It's not just a vehicle, it's an experience. It combines the idea of freedom, exploration, and independence with unmatched luxury and sophistication. It redefines what it means to travel, making the journey as memorable as the destination. Of course, this level of innovation and craftsmanship doesn't come cheap. The expected starting price is around $1 million, with higher trims and customizations easily crossing into multi-million territory. Yet for the ultra-wealthy who want the best of both worlds, the ability to explore without sacrificing comfort, this motorhome will be irresistible. As we look at the future of mobility, vehicles like the 2026 Range Rover Motorhome prove that cars are no longer just about transportation. They are about lifestyle, identity, and creating unforgettable experiences. It is a bold step for Range Rover, but one that feels completely natural for a brand that has always thrived at the intersection of luxury and capability. So, whether you dream of crossing continents in style, parking by a secluded beach with every comfort at your fingertips, or simply owning one of the most exclusive motorhomes ever built, the 2026 Range Rover Motorhome promises to deliver an adventure like no other. That wraps up our deep dive into the 2026 Range Rover Motorhome. If you enjoyed exploring this futuristic masterpiece with us, make sure to subscribe to Trend Cars, where we continue to bring you the latest and most exciting innovations in the automotive world. Drop a comment below and let us know, if you had the keys to this Range Rover Motorhome, where would you take it first? Until next time, keep dreaming big and driving bold.